Choosing the right stand mixer can be challenging. Weak motors, limited speeds, noisy performance, and small bowl capacity often make baking frustrating. A powerful stand mixer should handle heavy dough, whip cream smoothly, and mix batter evenly without overheating. Today I'll show you the top 5 best stand mixers for powerful and efficient kitchen performance. Whether you bake at home or need a commercial solution, these mixers offer strength, durability, and versatility. We researched features and user feedback to create this list. Check the description for updated prices and links.
Number 5. BioloMix Kitchen Food Stand Mixer. The BioloMix 1200-watt stand mixer combines power and precision with its efficient DC motor in 11 adjustable speeds. The digital OLED screen gives it a modern touch, allowing easy control over mixing settings. It comes with a dough hook, whisk, and beater, making it ideal for bread, cakes, cookies, and pastries. The sturdy build ensures stability during heavy mixing, while the powerful motor handles thick dough with ease. Perfect for home bakers who want performance, style, and reliable results in one machine.
Number 4. SUSWEETLIFE 1500-watt stand mixer. The SUSWEETLIFE 1500-watt stand mixer is designed for serious baking and semi-commercial use. It features a large 6.5-liter stainless steel bowl and 6-speed control for precise mixing. The smart display adds convenience, while the silent design reduces kitchen noise. Built for durability, it handles dough, batter, and whipping tasks smoothly. Whether you're preparing bread, pizza dough, or desserts, this mixer offers strong performance and stability. A great option for users who want more capacity and commercial-level reliability. Number 3. SUNATUR 16L Commercial Stand Mixer. The SUNATUR 16L stand mixer is a heavy-duty commercial machine built for large-scale baking. With a powerful 2200-watt motor and massive 16-liter capacity, it's ideal for bakeries, restaurants, or bulk food preparation. Dual kneading hooks ensure even dough mixing, while the strong construction handles continuous operation. Despite its large size, it delivers consistent and efficient performance. If you need high power and maximum capacity for professional use, this mixer stands out as a reliable workhorse. Number 2. 5-liter 3-in-1 Multifunctional Stand Mixer. This 5-liter 10-watt stand mixer is a practical 3-in-1 kitchen machine designed for everyday baking. It includes a dough hook, flat beater, and whisk for versatile performance. The powerful motor easily handles bread dough, cake batter, whipped cream, and more. Its compact size fits comfortably in most kitchens while still offering strong mixing power. Ideal for home cooks and beginners, this mixer delivers reliable results without taking up too much space or budget. Number 1. 2200-watt 10-liter stand mixer. The 2200-watt 10-liter stand mixer takes the top spot for its impressive power and large capacity. Designed for home and light commercial use, it handles heavy dough, egg whites, cake mixtures, and desserts effortlessly. The 10-liter bowl allows large batch preparation, saving time and effort. Its high-speed motor ensures smooth and consistent mixing, while the durable design provides long-term reliability. If you want maximum performance and capacity in one machine, this model delivers outstanding value. A powerful stand mixer makes baking faster, easier, and more enjoyable. From compact home models to heavy-duty commercial machines, these 5 mixers offer excellent performance and versatility. Whether you bake occasionally or in large batches, there's a perfect option here for your kitchen. Which mixer fits your needs best? Let us know below.